I just wanted to do a quick video on this K&F Concept camera, battery, and charger. Now, I am fairly new into the photography game, or at least professional photography, and we just, hopefully you can see that. What I also like about this, these are 1250 mAh batteries, so these will last a little bit longer. In our camera, it's a good size for an LP-E17. It's also high quality, being from this company. So if you're interested in a high quality battery and charger at an affordable price, this is probably definitely going to be your way to go. I will do an update video with how well it does charge, but I have every bit of confidence in the world it's going to be a great addition to our new camera setup. Hope this review gave you some good insight into this and helps you make your purchase decision. Got ourselves an actual professional-ish camera, the Canon R50. Now, with that comes a battery charger that, while there's a lot of good things for the camera itself, the charger itself, it works, but it takes a lot of time to charge. And we just needed extra batteries. So this, as you can see on Amazon, is a highly reviewed set, and it helps because the charger is much faster. So this particular model, you're gonna have a charger that takes care of 3 batteries. Let me see here, put it up here, get a little close. We'll charge 3 batteries. It will tell you the status of each battery. And then of course, you get your 3 batteries, all right? See if I can bring it up a little closer. Actually, you know what? I'll take one of them out so you guys can see it even better, all right?